Thinking, writing, and speaking are the deadliest combos that every alpha should well versed. Here, writing is an underrated practice. We're 99 of the people unaware of its power. Can you write how to prepare a tea? Of course you can. You can write each and every step of preparing process one after another, because it will be very easy for you to think, speak, and write about something you are witnessed directly. In the beginning days of humanity, people scribbled something to communicate. We can say that before people start to speak the thought or desire that are in invisible form, get manifested in the form of letters, which is visible. Writing helps you to clear the clouds in your mind and give you the clear picture of your thought. If you can write down what is your goal and what are the ways are available right now for you to achieve your goal, your desire is now manifested in the form of letters. The blueprint to achieve your goal is in your hand, right? Now you know what you want to do and how to achieve it in the process of writing. You subconsciously motivate yourself to take appropriate actions to achieve your goals if you can imagine or think something in perfect sequence, one after another. You are not thinking that is unreal. You should. Remember that